I lost $8,000 last month, not because the clients didn't pay me, not because I undercharged, but because of 4 mistakes I was making that I didn't even know. And that's what many freelancers face. And today, I'll be covering 4 freelancing mistakes that nobody talks about. And no, not the usual build your portfolio advice, but these are the silent profit killers that experienced freelancers learn the hard way. And stick around because mistake number 4 is the biggest one of them all. Mistake number 1, relying only on freelance platforms and never building a personal brand of your own. Here's the problem. When you only exist on freelance platforms, you're competing on price with thousands of freelancers. Clients start to see you as a commodity and not an expert, and that means lower rates and constant hustle. The freelancers who aren't struggling, they're visible not only on freelance platforms but also on LinkedIn and Instagram. They're showing up consistently, sharing their work, advice, or tips and tricks. So whenever the client needs their service, they think of them first. Mistake number 2, trying to be everything for everyone. When you say, I'm a writer, you're competing with millions of people. But when you say you're a UX writer for a B2B business, you're an obvious choice for a specific client type. Specialists charge more because you speak the client's language, your portfolio is directly relevant, and you understand their specific problems. Mistake number 3, not building an email list. Most freelancers never capture leads. Someone visits their profile, likes their work, and then disappears, gone forever. Make your lead magnet in just a few days of work, which will genuinely be useful in the long run. Create a simple landing page using Notion, Google Sheets, or any other free alternative. Link it in your bio and profiles. And send one helpful email per week, and that way your audience connects with you and can be your potential client. Mistake number 4, losing money due to high fees while receiving international payments. Let me show you an example. You invoice a client for $5,000. Seems straightforward, right? Wrong. Here's what happens with traditional platforms. They take 2 to 5% of transaction fee plus a fixed charge. That's around $150. Then there's foreign exchange markup of 3 to 4%. That's about $150 to $200. Plus withdrawal fees to get it back to your bank. By the time money reaches your account, you've lost almost $300 to $400. That's almost 7 to 8% of your earnings just evaporated. Now here's where Infinity comes in. You pay 0.5% flat fee, no hidden charges, no FX markup, and your payment arrives within 1 business day. And suppose you receive the same $5,000 using Infinity, you only pay $25. That saves you around $375. We built Infinity because we saw freelancers getting crushed by the fees other international payments platforms were charging. We're not hiding costs or taking high fees from your hard-earned money. Visit www.infinityapp.in and try it out for yourself. This video helped you. Make sure you subscribe. We're here to share you real advice that helps you keep more of what you earn. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next one.